If a black hole and a white hole collided, they might not cancel out. They could merge into something else. An omega hole. If somewhere in this universe, a white hole exists and comes into contact with a black hole, or, if a future super civilization were to create such a condition deliberately, it could become the most significant event in cosmic history. A black hole and a white hole, absorption and emission. Opposite phenomena. So intuitively, they might cancel each other out and disappear. However, this is not a normal three-dimensional situation. Black holes bend space itself. In that case, instead of cancellation, something else may occur. A black hole and a white hole, or the entrance and exit of a wormhole, overlapping at the same point. One possibility, everything collapses inward and disappears. But there is another possibility. A structure, similar to a Klein bottle. A form that cannot exist in ordinary three-dimensional space. Like a Mobius strip, where front and back are connected, the Klein bottle goes further. Inside and outside become one continuous surface. If space connects in this way, annihilation does not occur. More precisely, annihilation cannot be completed. What emerges is neither a black hole, nor a white hole, nor emptiness. The omega hole. Within it, the distinction between entering and exiting disappears. To enter is to exit at the same time. Or, neither entering nor exiting. A third state. It is a new region, born within this world. Just as on a Mobius strip, the distinction between front and back disappears, in a Klein bottle, the boundary between inside and outside no longer exists. And, just as on the surface of a Mobius strip, the very concept of front and back vanishes, at the omega hole, the concept of in and out dissolves, becoming equal. It becomes a singularity of the world, a point where one concept ceases to exist. A future civilization might use this structure to achieve time travel. Or, move beyond this universe, reaching the outside of it. On the other hand, the worst-case scenario is the collapse of the world itself. This newly formed region could expand, from a single point, to the entirety of the universe. And when that happens, this place would be neither inside nor outside the universe. The concept itself would vanish from the world. When an omega hole is born, will it be transcendence or destruction? Either way, if such a thing were to occur, it could mark a turning point in cosmic history beyond even the Big Bang. Aside from the birth of the universe itself, collisions between black holes are the most powerful events within the universe. Then, a collision between a black hole and a white hole may go beyond the universe itself.